Hello guys, once again welcome back to Helping Media. In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete this drop down list or this drop down cell or this drop down menu, whatever you want to say. I'm going to show you how you can delete. In previous tutorials we created and we edited this drop down. If you didn't watch how to create this drop down menu or how to edit this drop down menu, then please watch our previous videos. In this tutorial I will show you how you can delete this drop down menu or this drop down cell. But before starting, if you didn't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start. Just select the cell which one you want to delete and go to data, click on data and go to data tools and then data validation. You can see when you click data validation, you can see here list and here is the data. Just click here and select all or remove everything, or you can also click on clear all. Click on OK. The drop down is removed, but now this drop down is still exist. Once again go to data validation and you can see here is the option of clear all. You can remove also here, and you can also click on clear all, but I'm recommending you please click on clear all. Click on clear all and then press the OK. Now you can see the both drop down is deleted. There is no drop down here. You can see drop down option is also disappeared. So it's very easy tutorial. If you like this tutorial helping or interesting, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more tutorials, latest updates of online earning, freelancing tips and tricks and tutorials.